So have you finished your all housework?
Yes, but lunch has remains after some because
Yes,
one drop
11.
lunch. Yes, yes.
Okay, and your kids?
Younger one is I drop 9 o'clock. He will came 12 o'clock, so I pick up to him. And elder
Mhm.
7:10. His van is too much earlier, so he also
Okay.
went to school. Both are went to school.
Okay, so now you are free. How
Uh,
many sessions have you taken?
till now, six, ma'am.
Okay, all six. And today?
Within 12 days,
Mhm.
I got six session.
Six sessions. Now you are feeling you are comfortable to talk with me. When I talk first time with you, so just you quite nervous. But yeah, now it's good.
That time I feel hesitated. I don't talk, miss what I talk to you. Whenever I don't know that time, whenever I get my mind, I talk with you. But now I feel little bit comfort. Yes,
Yeah. So what you think? Like ki while conversation we improve our English?
yes, madam. Yesterday, I didn't take any conversation. So I
Mhm.
have work also and some health issue also. So day before yesterday, I took two sessions. And
Okay.
yes, today also, I talk with you first session, ma'am, and afternoon also I will be take another session. Yes.
You
So
have
yes, madam. While talking and while conversation, our English will definitely fluency.
get fluency very fast, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Also, madam, is there cold?
Yeah. Yeah. That's why I am wearing coat.
That's why humidity when outside is fully sunlight.
Here also fully sunlight, but cold is
Okay.
here.
Yes,
Spring season running, but not too much. But I feel cold.
I also cold. Mm. But
Okay.
yes, also listen news na, so North India is again little bit cold. Mm.
Yes, they are like started snowfall
Yes, yes.
last day. Last day also here is snowfall in nearby my room. Not nearby, it's like 100 kilometer far. So really cold is here. That's why.
Why? Cold is getting there. Yes.
Yes.
Your both are also went to school?
Yeah, both son went to school. That's why this time I'm free.
Have lunch or not? Yeah, remains. Have you
Yes,
pre- have you prepared your lunch? Yeah, remains.
no, I haven't prepared. I have to prepare.
Yes, yes. Same. I
They
have.
came like at 2 o'clock. They will come back. So I
My
prepare. I have time.
yes, yes. My elder son also came to 2:15. So that's why I also time. So that's why.
And younger one is come 1 o'clock.
Ah,
So I have to go pick up there
yes, yes.
from
Same.
their school.
I and drop off. Same problem. Mm.
Yes, not a problem. I am happy.
Yes,
We feel happy when we go drop our kids and when we go pick up our kids. So yeah, we it's our duty
yes.
and
It's a
responsibility.
priority. The first priority. Mm.
Yes, and your face too cute. You not like a mom. You like a girl.
When first time, when any person meet first time na, so same like this. Say to me always. When I go to school na, that time many friends, my child's moms also saying, you not looks like a mom. You look like a girl, college girl.
Yes, they said same. They said right. Okay.
Give me one parents also your marriage got how many you are means how many years has complete gotten married so in 13 years in July so wow you not looks like so you are a girl.
Yes. You are also looking like a girl.
So yeah, how
So,
many speak madam?
uh, no, you have
No, just think to you ma'am.
Goa. Yeah, you told me I'm living in Goa. You told me. Okay,
I have been living here since 5 years.
5 years. So there is school in school they teach Hindi.
No, English. My son is in schools follow ICSE boards pattern. First
Okay.
standard he was in a CBSE school, but now I changed the school and now his school is ICSE. Because here is Marathi and you know no Kokni language also. Yes.
Yes.
So yes. Marathi I know because we are from Maharashtra, belong to Maharashtra.
Mhm.
So he want ICSE pattern, so I gave to him. Yes.
So do
So
you speak in your home Marathi? Yeah, English.
Marathi and my child both sometime talk in English. But our mother tongue in our blood, na. So that's why again we
Yes.
speak English, but other we turn in our Marathi. Mm.
Marathi.
Yes.
Okay. So whenever you communicate with people, so in English,
Sorry,
how
ma'am.
you how you communicate with people in Goa?
When I go to school, pick up and drop that time, with teacher madam daily, my younger son. And here, Anna madam, many means all person knows English madam. When you go to shops, yeah, malls, yeah, here are many Christian people, na madam. So each and everyone
Oh,
knows, yes, English madam. So
okay.
when I get a time, yeah, parents now, parents means when I pick drop that time, I also not talk in Hindi. Um, I speak in English.
You have environment. Wow,
But I,
it's a good. And what type content you consume on YouTube?
sorry, ma'am.
What type content you watch on YouTube?
Okay, conversation.
Conversation only.
Conversation. Oh,
Yeah,
conversation.
yeah, conversation we can understand very easily.
Because there are two person, ma'am. So that for yeah, our enhance our English language, improve our English language. So I think conversation is very important. Conversation type.
So how to talk, how to give answer, how to give reply. So we know each and everything watching conversation video. Yeah, I
Most
also try.
yes,
I
mostly
also,
English conversation app na. So I mostly listen English conversations.
yes. Yeah, but you have environment, so it's good for you. You know.
Yes, madam. It's a good.
Okay, so
First, Hyderabad, madam. That's also we didn't get the Telugu language.
mm,
From that, I'm facing this problem.
mm,
I yes, I get a knowledge about English, but don't have I confidence in front of stranger. So now I decided.
okay. When
So
you were leave Telangana,
I am from Maharashtra, madam. But after marriage, my husband's company was there. So that's why 6 years I was living in Hyderabad.
okay, in
After
six,
that,
you used to live there.
yes, yes, and again, and then we will come in Goa, then Hyderabad.
Okay, so do you know Telugu? Do you know
No,
little?
I don't know Telugu, so I someone speak that time. No one, and there is a madam one problem. No one has a Hindi madam, Telugu and English. So I
Yeah,
speak in.
not know very well English. They know Telugu, and some people knows English, and some people they know Telugu and Hindi. Sorry, English. So we, when you used to live there in Telangana, so how you were communicate with people?
English, ma'am.
English.
But that time we didn't get too much.
Mm-hmm.
That time we get a lot of English, but middle time, na. So lot of gap, madam. So otherwise, I didn't watch video. I listen any content. So that's why again I start my English journey.
So how long have you been learning this language?
So, madam, last 3 months I am listening a lot, madam. Because when
Okay.
I was in school, college, na, that time I am very fascinated about this language. Because
Yeah.
when person speaking English, na, so I am wow, this person speaking nicely. I should be getting English nicely. So I feel like that. So my husband saying to me, you speak, you more speak, so you will definitely you speak better than me. My husband always saying to me, and
Okay.
that's why I'm now.
Yeah, speaking comes by speaking.
Yes,
Whenever we speak more, so our fluency get more.
yes, yes.
If you want to learning speaking, so we have to speak.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you do next after taking this session?
After this, my worship also remains, madam. Today I didn't worship remains. So I will do first worship and then I will pick up my sons
Mhm.
and and after that he will come. He take my time. I want this one. I want this one. So he
Yes.
yes, yes. And then I will make prepare my lunch for three
Okay.
of.
So have you finished your all housework?
Yes, 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 madam. Because I wake up early in the morning at 5:30. So
Yeah, every mother wake up like this, every mother, because we have to wake up early in the morning.
the morning. Yes, madam. We s-
Okay.
yeah, we sleep before night late. So having said that, we had to next day early wake up.
Yes, we have to prepare each and everything in night, like clean kitchen and each, organize our house, each and everything. I also do. In night, I finish my all work, and when I get up, so I just do. I just brush my teeth and take water. Then I take bath, and then I do worship. After that, I make my breakfast. So,
Your school
sorry.
school timing. What is your son's school
Uh,
timing?
um, my elder one time 7:30, so it's early morning, and the younger one is 9:30.
Okay.
Yes. So I drop both son.
Oh, both drops also. That's okay.
Yeah. And my husband, he goes to early in the morning.
No problem. My husband also leave from home 7:15. So we same.
Yeah.
My elder son and my husband same leave this home.
Yes. So we have to do all, in a woman, have to do all housework and manage our time. And if you want to do anything, so you just do your free time. So like we do our work very fast, then we get some time. So we improve ourselves.
Yes, yes, yes. He
Every
just
woman do like this, not only me. Every woman do like this.
saved you money after marriage facing this
Yeah.
problem.
Okay. We are talked too much. I think you have more questions, so you can ask.
No, ma'am, I don't have no question. But you tell me, madam, how I spoke now means in this our conversation.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you speak and
I
confidently. You speak good and confidently. After 1 month, you can see your result. You speak very good after 1 month.
I did a lot of mistake, ma'am, initially.
Little mistake you did, little not a much, little mistake. So is everyone do. I also do lots of mistake because we are learning.
Okay.
So we are learning language, and no one perfect. If anyone want to say ki I am learning language and I learn only 1 month, so no one perfect in 1 month. When we were kids, so we have taken lots of year, 3 4 5 year to learn our mother tongue. So this is a third language, we can say. First language our mother tongue, then a native language. So first our native language, then mother tongue. Like my native language different, my mother tongue is Hindi, and this is third language for me. So where I this is not my environment. I'm just trying to learn this language. so so it's a take a long time, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. And it's a ocean. How we go toward to English, so we just see lots of new things. So no one is perfect. We have to just learn this language gradually, and gradually we improve.
Yes, ma'am.
Just try to every day take session, talk with people, read. You are fond of to reading, so read, write, whatever you want, whatever you want. So we can do, not only you. Like I also do reading. I don't like reading, but I do, because it's good for my English. Like I get some vocabs, how to frame sentences. So I learned from there, from reading. So I just start reading and listening also. And writing, someone say ki writing is very important if you want to improve your skill very fast.
Yes, yes,
So
ma'am.
writing is very important, so I try to write something.
Yes, ma'am. Is it right?
So yeah, I also do same thing. Not too much write. I just write little, and I just say to Chat GPT, "Hey Chat GPT, please correct my mistake because I'm not good in this language." So you know, chat GPT, they have it's they written all correct sentence.
Yes.
So it's good. We have to use technology, and we have to learn from, because we have phone, and phone is very good friend
Yes.
these days. So yeah,
Sure.
we can practice our practice like this. And how much if you have any person, so how much you just try to teach them. Because I also do like this. I am teaching four four five ladies, I'm teaching. So how much I know.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
madam. Your videos, you are teaching grammars.
Your what?
You are teaching
Not only YouTube, in YouTube I just do practice
yes,
with
yes,
Anisa ma'am.
yes,
With
yes.
Anisa ma'am, she is also YouTuber, so we both are doing practice. And apart from that, I am teaching. So I just how much I know, like basic tenses and some new words, how to start speaking. So I just try to teach I just try to teach, if they know ki how to speak English, so they just start their speaking.
Because of
They
this,
just
your English also improve.
and yeah, as well my English also improve. As well I help myself also, each and everything, grammar, I not know very much, because I am also learner. So I just try to them ki if they are able to speak, so I join that group, our that group, and they get they lots of people, and they can talk with them. So first my own motive ki somehow they able to speak.
Yes, 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 madam. It is right.
Oh yeah, I do. And I do not take any fees. I just teach free.
Yes,
Because you, so yeah, I improving my English like this.
yes. And your English also improve. Every person do mistake, but yes, get a time. We will teach many things also.
Yeah,
You
and
guys,
before teaching, we learn lot of things. Then we teach to others. When we tell to others, so it's a good for me also. Like how much I know, I tell. Like I take example my kids. Okay, I am teaching my kids. So first I learn each and everything. Then I teach my kids. So sometimes I do mistakes. Sometimes I go Google. Sometimes I go YouTube. Then I learn. Then I teach. So I decided myself, if we will share our knowledge to others. So
person yes, ma'am. Many person doesn't share anything, whatever his knowledge, but we have to as much as share our knowledge. Yes,
नॉलेज जितना भी शेयर करोगे उतना अच्छा
yes.
इम्प्रूवमेंट के ऊपर होता है. सो आई जस्ट ट्राई एंड